because a lot of times the fear in our head is much worse than the actual event itself.
Can you give me your conclusions of how do you master fear? Maybe 1 to 2 minutes.
Sure. So that was the last book John and I wrote, based off me teaching a very successful venture capitalist and author and best friend of mine, Kamal Ravikant, how to swim. But really, I taught him how to overcome his fear. And really, it boils down to when we get into the habit of confronting fear, because a lot of times the fear in our head is much worse than the actual event itself, whether it's flying an airplane, swimming, those types of things. We get in our head too much. But when you develop this system, which I teach in Mastering Fear, and make it a habit, fear, we all live with fear. I have fear, you have fear. It's just our approach to it that makes a difference. And I basically show you how to use fear as a motivational tool and a superpower in mastering fear. So that's what's the basics of the book.